For everyone who sells digital products, especially kids products, and for anyone who wants to make money online without spending anything, working just a small amount of time each day, and for anyone looking to start a side business to increase their income, you are in the right video. All my followers already know that I explain how to design digital products, especially children's products, and how we sell them on Amazon and Etsy. And today, I strongly recommend that you start this side hustle to multiply your profits. In short, we're going to create children's story videos and publish them on social media so we can generate income from YouTube and other platforms. And at the same time, massively increase the sales of our kids' books in an incredible way. First, take a look at this example I designed. You're going to be amazed.
We have to make it before sundown, Spark. The town is counting on this delivery.
It's okay, buddy. We're going as fast as this old van will let us go.
Chirp? Still so far. I can't afford any delays now. Not even a minute.
Thanks for keeping the spirits up, little guy. We're a great team, aren't we?
Yeah, let's save that town.
And just so you know, this short video was created with one single click. And it's actually much better than many kids channels that get millions of views every single day. After watching that video, I know you're feeling pumped right now and curious about how to create kids cartoon movies like this. So my friend, today we're going to use the amazing website Video Inu. Let's jump straight into the explanation so I don't waste your valuable time. Before we move on, there's something special I want to tell you. Video Inu is giving away 3 pro memberships exclusively to my followers. Yes, this giveaway is for you, my audience, and it's provided directly by the platform, not by me. Here's how to enter the giveaway. First, make sure you register an account on Video Inu. Second, leave a comment below this video sharing your thoughts or any suggestions you have for improvement. After that, 3 lucky winners from my followers will be selected from the comments section. If you want access to all the pro features, this is your chance to get it for free, so don't miss it. Open the website. You'll find the link in the description box and also in the pinned comment. Follow along with me. This platform has many powerful tools that we're going to explore together in this video, and I'll teach you step by step how to create professional cartoon films. First, here you'll find a section called Story Videos. These are pre-made videos, and I've watched some of them. Honestly, the content is very fun. For example, if we click on this video, like it, and want to create something similar, how do we do that? It's simple. With one single click, we press the Recreate button, and the website will automatically generate a new version of that video for us. These are the characters the platform created for us to use in the new story. We can modify any character by clicking on it here, then choosing a new character, and after that, pressing Generate Video. But honestly, I don't like this method. I want to create my own story. I want to build a full cartoon series and release daily episodes so I can reach millions of views. So the big question is, how do we do that? First, let's go to the animation video tool. Here, you'll write your imagination, the story you want to create. For example, I'll write this prompt, and I'll leave it below this video so you can use it if you want. Down here, you'll find several settings. For example, it asks how you want your story to look. I want it in 3D. Then it asks how long you want your story to be. Let's make this video 60 seconds. Here, you choose the language of the story. I want it in English because this is our target audience. After that, I'll click on Create. In just 1 second, it created the 2 characters that will be used in our video. Honestly, I think they look amazing from the first try. But if you want to change a character, all you have to do is click on it. Then you can choose from these ready-made characters, or you can create a completely new character from here. You simply write the character description you want and press here. But from the first attempt, the 2 characters are perfect, no changes needed. If we scroll down a little, you'll notice something powerful. It automatically and professionally wrote the story chapters for us. You must review them. I reviewed them, and honestly, they're very professional and don't need any edits. Of course, if you want to edit anything, you can easily do it from here. After that, we'll click on Generate Video, and it will move us to the second stage. And here it is. It generated the images and scenes. Notice something important. The characters stayed exactly the same. This is one of the best features of this website. It does not change your characters. You can review the scenes before moving on to the next stage. Just like this scene right here.
We have to make it before sundown, Spark. The town is counting on this delivery.
After that, it will combine all of these scenes into one single video. Let's download it in full HD quality and watch the result together.
We have to make it before sundown, Spark. The town is counting on this delivery.
It's okay, buddy. We're going as fast as this old van will let us go.
Chirp.
Honestly, I am truly impressed with this result. I'm going to start a new kids channel focused on children's stories, and I'm 100% sure it will reach millions of views. Now, let's quickly move to the second tool. Although in most cases, I'll personally stick with the first tool, just like I told you. The second tool is called Cinematic Video. It works the same way. You write the prompt here, but this one creates a cinematic style video, like you're inside a real movie. If we go back to the main interface again, we'll find another tool called Voiceover Video. And this tool is very important. I will definitely use it as well. This tool creates a story video with a voiceover, and that's extremely powerful. Because if you've created a storybook and you're selling it on Amazon, you can turn that exact story into a realistic story video or a cartoon animation. This can get you thousands of views, and as a result, hundreds of sales for your book using the same strategy. Let's write the same prompt we used before, choose the story settings we want, and then click on Create. Here, it generated the characters, and honestly, they look amazing, so I won't change anything. Then I'll review the story it wrote for me, and I can see that it's great as well. After that, I'll click on Preview Storyboard. Now it has generated all the story scenes, and the images are absolutely incredible. If we scroll up a bit, we'll find the voiceover settings. For example, let's choose this voice.
This timbre was generated by Vidyanu's latest tone design feature.
I think it fits this story much better. And here's something powerful. If you right-click on this image, you can download it and use it directly in your storybook. After reviewing all the images and story scenes, you can also use this menu on the right side to easily edit the images. I really want you to try these options yourself. Finally, after reviewing the prompt and the images, we click on Animate. From here, you can choose the version you want. I'll stick with the latest version. And just like before, we'll convert all the scenes into videos, and you can review them before moving on to the second stage. Now that we've moved to the third step, the platform has combined all the scenes together. Here in the subtitle settings, you can choose the style of the text that appears on the video, or hide it completely. You can also add music to the video, but personally, I prefer my videos without music. After that, we'll generate the video and download it in high quality, and let's watch it together.
The Endless Road, a delivery of hope. The future of our town rests on this delivery. Remember the urgency. Van secured, map checked. Time to hit the road, Spark. No time to waste. Miles and miles of empty road ahead, but the destination is clear in our minds. Don't worry, I've got the energy levels high. Let's go, let's go. It's hotter than I expected. We have to keep pushing through this heat. Look, a rainbow. We must be getting close to something colorful. The package must remain perfectly stable. The town depends on its contents. The sun is going down fast. We need to find the beacon soon. One more push, buddy. We are almost there. I can feel it. There! The beacon tower. We made it, Spark. We actually made it. Almost there. Hold tight, Spark. This is the most important handover. Hope delivered. Thank you for being the bravest partner, Spark.
As always, the result is absolutely impressive from the first try. If we move to the third section called Character Generator, you can create your own character and use it across all future videos and stories. You can also upload an image here if you want the character to look exactly like that image. If we scroll down a little, you'll find many settings that I really want you to experiment with yourself. For example, here you can turn an image into a full video using the Sora 2 system, which is the latest AI video generation system with high accuracy. And in the final section, you can convert text into video in just seconds. Honestly, I see this website as one of the best platforms for creating videos, especially children's story videos, which are extremely valuable for us as digital product sellers. And it's also perfect for anyone who wants to start their own business in 2026. Video creation is one of the best businesses overall right now. You'll find the website link below this video. Go now and try it yourself, and I'll see you in a new video. And goodbye.